Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is the 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express 259 FKDS. Front kitchen, double slide. This unit is under 30 feet, so you can get it at all the parks. Has a slide out in the bedroom with a king bed. We have lots and lots of storage. Pass-through on the front, compartment here on the back, black tank flush, outside shower. Ladders already installed from the factory. We can have a 2-inch receiver on the back bumper. More storage. We also have a griddle and some shelving. Let's take a look at our camp kitchen. Very cool. Hot and cold water, mini fridge. Very cool front wheels. Solid entry step, solid hinged door. So wherever you put the door, that's where it stays. You don't have to lock it in or anything anymore. We've got a soda pop opener, extra large grab handle, power awning with LED light strip, outside speakers, inside speakers. I don't know what they did different to the speakers, but this, I turned the radio on and the sound is just phenomenal in this unit. I would turn it on, but they would flag it for playing radio songs on the video. So dinette, the new colors, all kinds of lights everywhere. Freedom Express drawer. I love that. There's our roll-up sink. Magic Chef refrigerator, freezer. Lots of room here. Pantry. It's actually a lighted pantry. Smart TV. There's our awesome stereo system. Fireplace. Theater seating right across from the TV. And our secret storage compartment. This is our shower area. This has the water saver. What that is right here, you can circulate the water, and when this turns a different color, it's warm, so that can save you water. Very cool. And our rear bedroom with the king bed. Reading lights, you can have blue or white. Lots of storage, room for another TV. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.